Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. Today we're looking at real classic motorcycles for sale across America, ranging from collectible icons to dirt-cheap vintage projects you can still buy today. Let's jump in. Number 1. 1971 Harley-Davidson Sportster, $4,500, Iowa. We start with a 1971 Harley-Davidson Sportster listed at $4,500, and this is one of those honest vintage Harleys that still feels approachable. The seller is only the second owner and has owned the bike since 1975, which adds real long-term credibility to this listing. According to the description, the bike runs great and presents very well, with photos showing a clean, well-maintained iron head that hasn't been over-customized or neglected. It also comes with the original factory repair manual and brochure from when the bike was new, which is a huge bonus for collectors and restorers alike. Early Sportsters are known for their raw mechanical feel, lightweight chassis, and unmistakable Harley character. At this price point, $4,500 represents a solid entry into classic American motorcycling without stepping into high-dollar collector territory. Number 2. 1967 BSA Hornet, $8,000, Missouri. Next is a 1967 BSA Hornet priced at $8,000, and this one stands out due to the level of work already completed. The bike has been fully rebuilt from front to rear using original BSA parts, with only around 20 miles on both the engine and transmission since completion. That essentially puts this Hornet in fresh mechanical condition, saving the next owner significant time and expense. New tires, brakes, and wiring have also been installed, addressing many common concerns with vintage British motorcycles. The Hornet was BSA's high-performance twin, known for strong acceleration and a lively riding experience. At this price, you're paying for quality restoration and originality, making it appealing for riders who want classic British style without starting from a project. Number 3. 1973 Suzuki GT750 Water Buffalo, $9,900, Illinois. Listed at $9,900, this 1973 Suzuki GT750, famously nicknamed the Water Buffalo, is a landmark Japanese motorcycle. With just 1,907 miles shown, this example is described as restored and running exceptionally well. The GT750 was Suzuki's first water-cooled production motorcycle and one of the most unique two-strokes ever sold to the public. Its smooth power delivery, distinctive sound, and advanced engineering for the era make it highly collectible today. This particular bike represents the sweet spot between originality and usability, offering low mileage without being locked away as a museum piece. Prices for clean GT750s have steadily climbed, and at just under $10,000, this listing reflects strong collector demand while still offering real rideability. Number 4. 1963 Triumph Thunderbird, $7,500, Kansas. This custom 1963 Triumph Thunderbird is offered at $7,500 and blends classic British heritage with bold custom styling. Built in a bobber and flat track inspired configuration, the bike features a hardtail frame and dry clutch, giving it a raw, stripped-down personality. It is reported to be running, though it does have an oil leak, something that seasoned Triumph owners will recognize as fairly common. The Thunderbird name carries serious historical significance, famously associated with performance and long-distance capability. This example is clearly aimed at riders who appreciate character and visual impact over factory-correct restoration. At this price, it offers a unique opportunity to own a distinctive British classic that stands out from more traditional builds. Number 5. 1971 Honda CB750, $6,250, Iowa. Priced at $6,250, this 1971 Honda CB750 represents one of the most important motorcycles ever produced. Often credited with changing the motorcycle industry, the CB750 introduced reliability, performance, and refinement that reshaped expectations worldwide. This example has been reconditioned and is described as running great, with working brakes, lights, and electrics. It features correct HM300 4x4 exhaust pipes in excellent condition, a major plus for collectors. While there is a minor dent in the tank, the bike remains mechanically sound and visually strong. Early CB750s continue to appreciate in value, and this one offers an ideal balance between collectible status and real-world usability. Number 6. 1966 Norton 650 SS, $2,600, Missouri. At $2,600, this 1966 Norton 650 SS is one of the most affordable classic British sport bikes on the list. The bike is described as being in good overall condition with strong compression, but it currently suffers from a no-spark issue. A new battery has already been installed, suggesting the problem may be electrical rather than mechanical. The 650 SS is well known for its excellent handling and sporty character, making it a favorite among vintage riding enthusiasts. Although it is sold with a bill of sale rather than a title, the low asking price reflects its project status. For someone comfortable with vintage electrical systems, this Norton offers strong upside potential at a very accessible cost. Number 7. 1973 Yamaha RT1360, $5,000, Missouri. This 1973 Yamaha RT1360 is listed at $5,000 and is notable for its extremely low mileage of just 135 original miles. With only 2 owners since new and a clear title in hand, this bike is a rare survivor. Yamaha's RT series helped define the early dual sport and enduro category, offering lightweight performance and dependable 2-stroke power. The seller reports that the bike runs and idles well, making it suitable for both riding and display. Examples with this level of originality are becoming increasingly scarce. At this price, it appeals to collectors who value preservation as much as performance. Number 8. 1978 Husqvarna 390, $2,000, Illinois. Offered at $2,000, this 1978 Husqvarna 390 is a classic European off-road machine with genuine competition roots. It features a 390cc 2-stroke engine and an automatic transmission, and comes from single-family ownership with long-term indoor storage. A transmission rebuild has already been completed, and the bike reportedly ran when it was parked. Husqvarna motorcycles from this era are respected for their lightweight design and race-proven engineering. This example remains largely original and unmodified, adding to its appeal. At this price point, it represents a compelling opportunity for vintage dirt bike enthusiasts or collectors. Number 9. 1978 Kawasaki KZ750, $3,800, Nebraska. This 1978 Kawasaki KZ750 is priced at $3,800 and offers classic late 1970s Japanese inline-4 performance. With just over 31,000 miles, it shows normal use for its age but remains a solid rider candidate. The bike has been sitting for about a year and will need a new battery, though it reportedly ran fine when last used. KZ models are known for durability, smooth power delivery, and straightforward maintenance. This makes them appealing to riders who want a classic that can still handle modern roads. At this price, it offers dependable vintage performance without premium collector pricing. Number 10. 1979 Yamaha XS650, $400, South Dakota. Closing the list is a true budget find, a 1979 Yamaha XS650 listed at just $400. This bike has no title and will require mechanical work, including carburetor cleaning and a rear tire replacement. It has been sitting for a long time, but was able to start briefly, indicating potential rather than a complete teardown. The XS650 is legendary for its simplicity, strong engine design, and massive aftermarket support. Many cafe racers, trackers, and restorations begin exactly like this. At $400, this is one of the cheapest entry points into classic motorcycle ownership with serious long-term upside. That wraps up today's list of classic motorcycles for sale across America. If you enjoy real market finds like these, don't forget to subscribe to Moto Market Explorer for daily vintage listings, price insights, and collector stories. See you in the next one.